Hi, my name's Lee and I'm the coaches rep for BCSSA.
My name's Em and these are my plants. This one's Kevin.
Welcome back to the program. We've had a really another successful week with the program because of you guys showing up every day. Next week's going to be even better, we promise, and we hope to see you there.
This past week we challenged you guys to try something new, and here are the highlights.
I haven't had a tea party with my dog Lucy and my stuffed bunny. Let's go get the guest of honor. Would you like some tea, Lucy? Would you like a cookie?
We had to try something new. So we got our ice bucket and
Now, here are the top winners.
Hi, I'm Ava, and this is Kind of Hey Jude on the guitar. And that was broken.
For House Aquarius.
For House Pandita.
Big in order. Did I win?
Yep. I think so. We did it.
Congratulations to Ava, Brent, and Natalie. Just contact us at office@bcsummerswimming.com for your prize.
This week, because the weather's starting to get really nice outside, we challenge you guys to go to your favorite spots in nature and show us where that is.
Here's ours. In this week's challenge, just post your video on Facebook or Instagram publicly and use the hashtag BCSSACOVIDCUP. And I will find it.
Hey Em, do you want to do a question of the day?
No.
Alright, we'll use a different one.
Do you have nightmares?
Thanks so much for the question of the day from 2 weeks ago that we used old footage for. Next time we'll get her to ask a new one. That's all we have for you guys today here at the program. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you next week. If you want to join the program, you can find us on Facebook at BC Summer Swimming and on Instagram at BC Summer Swimming as well. Go to our website to sign up for more classes.
Follow it, like it, subscribe.
All the fun
Tell us
stuff.
how cool we are.